Welcome friends, my name is Rakesh Ishwar Joshi, lecturer of Raigad College of Pharmacy, Shri Bhairavnath Nisarg Mandal Trust, Talka Mahad, District Raigad. Today's learning topic is purification of organic compounds. Topic aim: understand the concept of impurities, understand the concept of purification, understand the purification method, and last one, which condition using different types of the purification method. These are the content of the today's topic: introduction, types of the process. These are the various invested process, then test of purity, and last one, reference. Introduction. Organic compound derived from the natural sources, occurs in the various forms, the natural substances, solid state, liquid state, and also prepared in the laboratory. In the study of the properties, physical property, chemical property, substances first of all obtained in the state of purity, then method of depends upon the nature of and impurities. Okay. These are the type of the process: crystallization, sublimation, distillation, fractional distillation, distillation under reduced pressure, steam distillation, extraction with solvent, and last one, chromatography. First step, crystallization. These are the crystallization steps most commonly employed for the purification of solid organic compound, in which various steps involve. First step, choice of the solvent, preparation of solution, filtration of hot solution, then crystallization and the separation and drying of the crystal. Crystallization process in animated form. First of all, the mixture of the some compounds and impurities are placed in the conical flask, then add hot solvent, then stir well, mix well, then cooled the crystallized form, then separated by the using separating funnel, and sorted out the impurities in the volumetric flask. Okay. Then choice of the solvent. First of all, the selection of the choice of the solvent by using this method. 50 mg of the compound taken, mixed with the suitable solvent, then heat the mixture, especially using in the test tube are used, then cooled at the room temperature. Process repeated with the water, benzene, ethyl alcohol, and acetone. These are the various type of the solvent used. Till most satisfactory result, these are the experiment carried out. These are the filtration and storage of the compound. The different type of the filtration techniques are used, and storage condition also used for the pure form of the compound storage, especially using the vacuum desiccator. These are the prevention of the outer impurity in the pure form of the compound. Then sublimation. Sublimation is defined as the heating the substances without the melting. The impurities separate out in the form of vapor using volatile impurities in the non-volatile compound, used for the especially naphthalene, camphor, and benzoic acid, in which the two types of the for the solid state or liquid state. First of all, the solid state by using the sublimation apparatus with the hot plate, in which use the beaker placed in the mixture of the compound, then covered with the watch glass placed with the ice. Okay, then start the hot plate and evaporate the compound and attract the impurities of the compound, and the remaining are pure form. Okay, these are the solid state. And liquid state using the test tube, in which especially sublime analyte. These are the attract the impurities towards. Okay, then remaining are the pure form of the compound. Okay, these are the two types of the sublimation process. Then distillation. Distillation is defined as purification of the liquid from non-volatile impurities, in which the boiling mixture and the vapor form of the pure compounds by using condenser and collected in a flask. Our reflection spot today. Pause the video and write the answer in a book. Question: which of the distillation method using in laboratory? After writing, start the video. Distillation methods. First, simple distillation, then fractional distillation, third one distillation under reduced pressure, and last one steam distillation. Okay, these are the simpler distillation. These are the diagrammatic representation of the simple distillation, in which using the round bottom flask, then condenser and collector by heating sandwater bath, liquid sandwater bath, okay, or directly flame also used. Okay, then flames are formed, then vapors transfer to the condenser. Condenser are cooled, the vapor and pure form of the compound collected in a round bottom flask or vessel. Okay, these are the simple type of the distillation. Then fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is specially used for mixture of two or more volatile liquids separated. These are the boiling point different by the more than 40 degrees Celsius. More volatile liquid collected sequentially. Okay, different volatile liquid collected differently. Distillate collected in a fraction, especially using in the fractionating column. These are the diagrammatic representation of the fractionated distillation using specially fractionating column. These are the same as per the simple distillation. Okay, then collected in the condenser and the pure form of the solid compounds collected in the vessel. Then distillation under reduced pressure, in which the simple distillation used without decomposition, but some cases very sensitive compounds are also there. Hence, that's why the distillation under reduced pressure are most useful. Organic compound decompose before use, reduced pressure reduced by using suction pump. These are the diagrammatic representation of the process distillation under reduced pressure, in which the attached to vacuum, then a simple condenser, okay, then collector, then mixture of the compound, specially using the Claisen adapter. Okay, these are regulate the distillation pressure by using. Okay, then 6.1 steam distillation. Steam distillation is defined as by specially using the steam, especially from the use the steam in other side and condenser and other side. Okay, specially used for the insoluble in water and volatile steam, non-volatile substance separate out. Use steam generator one side and water condenser other side. Okay, position is adjusted. Unnecessary heating is avoided. These are the diagrammatic representation of the steam distillation. First of all, steam generate, then steam pass through the tube, then mixture of the compound boiled or steam pass, then vapor form of the pure compound collect and cooled by condenser and collect in a collector. 7th one, extraction with the solvent. When method use organic solution present in a water. Okay, especially type of the condition. Aqueous solution shaken with the organic solvent. These are the steps. Okay, solvent layer separated by separating funnel. Then organic substances recovered by distillation. These are the two type of the extraction, especially using the separating funnel. Okay, these add with the organic solvent, then shake and convert into two layer and easily separated to or compound. Then extraction by using succinylate extractor. Okay, these are the thimble was used. These are the repeated type of the extraction, especially using the fruit product extraction. Okay, active constituent formation. Drying solution with a drying agent is a various chemicals used to remove the last traces of water from pure liquid. These are the various types of the drying agent: anhydrous calcium chloride, anhydrous sodium sulfate, potassium hydroxide, anhydrous magnesium sulfate, and sodium. These are the some condition was also. H1 chromatography. Chromatography is defined as the chroma means color and graph means writing of the data. Okay. First only assume that separate only color of the compound. Then confirm use of colorless substance also. Use two phases in which chromatography: mobile phase, stationary phase. Stationary phase is a solid or liquid, or mobile phase liquid or gaseous. The types of the chromatography: the general classification of the chromatography: column chromatography, thin layer chromatography, paper chromatography, and gas chromatography. These are the column chromatography. These are the using the specially stationary phase. Column, loaded sample, then pass mobile phase. Okay, mobile phase transferred to the stationary phase, and sample are different stronger interaction or weaker interaction travel to the column. Okay, then collect the sample in collector. These are the thin layer chromatography, especially using TLC plate. Okay, and apply the sample and the mobile phase run towards the TLC plate. Okay. Paper chromatography similar to the TLC plate, especially using paper on the paper. Okay. All the process are same, similar as the TLC. Then gas chromatography. In the specially form of the compound in gaseous state, these are the pass through the injector. Then column, these are combusted, and detector detect and record the data. These are the special form of the gas chromatography. Okay. Test of purity. Test of purity is depend upon the physical characteristic, chemical characteristic, especially physical characteristic mobile melting point, boiling point, refractive index, specific gravity, numerical changes with the amount impurity present in. Okay, some changes are occur present in the impurity. Generally using melting point and boiling point for sufficient purity of the compound in a lab scale. These are the general instrument by using refractive index, refractometer, and melting point or boiling point Thiel's apparatus. Okay. Some references using. Please contact some queries and your suggestion. My email ID is raketjoshi26041993@gmail.com, and my WhatsApp number 7709350750. Thank you very much for listening over today's video.